Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina and today we are going into another palette from Hush. This is the last one I have. It is by Okalan. It is the Solar something Fire palette. It looks like this. It is full of beautiful red warm tones. I just got done filming and removing the nightmare of my last video. If you watched that, you'll know I had some issues with my last palette from them. So I'm hoping this palette is better, but when I swatched this palette, this was the least pigmented of the three that I got. It is a different brand. I'm hoping that, the way it goes on and stuff is so much better than what it looked. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild as a base shade because this one here that I was thinking was a base shade is in fact a shimmer, like a highlight shade. I'm just going to put this all over my lid. You'll notice I have a ton of powder down. That is because of the last palette. So now I'm going to grab Icon, which is this darkest color right here, and I'm going to put that in my outer corner. Okay, so these colors aren't terrible. They're not as pigmented as you'd like, I guarantee that. But if you're new to makeup and you're worried about overdoing it, this palette actually I think would be great because it is got enough pigment there for you to work with. It just isn't going to go on super thick and heavy, which some shadows, especially when you're just learning, really can. So, I can see it for that. In all honesty though, I mean, the odds of me ever using this palette again are probably none. I'm taking Venus right here, and I'm just going to put that in my outer V. Alright, that's really pretty. I like that color. I'm going to take Muse and I'm just going to put that in my lid. That is a beautiful color. It does have a little bit of fallout. So I'm going to take the Shell and Rebirth, are the two shimmers in here. I'm going to take Shell and a flat shader brush, and I'm just going to put that on my lid. This is a slightly damp brush. I had to clean it after my last fiasco. And then I'm going to take Aura, right there, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. I really like that one. I'm just going to take Aura and put it in my brow bone. It's a really pretty color for that. Now I'm going to take Creation, which is this deep orangey color, and I'm going to rim my lower lash with that. And I'll take a little bit of Shell and stick that in an inner corner, in the inner area right here. And a little bit more of Aurora. And we're gonna call that good for now. I'm just gonna finish up. So I'm done with my eyes and everything. This was the Solar Matte Planet by Okalan. This is an okay palette. I probably will not reach for this, hardly ever. It just doesn't have the pigmentation and stuff that I like. It's too bad because the colors in there are beautiful. But, what do you expect? Well, actually I expect more. For $10, I actually expect more. I think for $10, you're starting to get up there a little bit. I think Wet n Wild does a better job than this. I'm not going to tell you something I don't believe. So this is just not going to work for me, and I'll be passing it on to someone somewhere sometime because it's so not mine. I do think that if you're just starting makeup, that this might be a good palette. Other than that, stay the heck away. That's my opinion. I have nothing against Hush. Like you said, Hush is just selling brands. This brand just isn't working for me. But these are the brands they're promoting. So be aware, they may not be what you're hoping for them to be. They're not awful. They're just not what I would hope for, personally, for that kind of money. I think you're in the Makeup Revolution zone at $10, NYX zone, Wet n Wild certainly. And I think that all three of those people make a better palette than that one is. Just my opinion, don't shoot me. And I don't blame that on Hush. That's their, they're just selling what they're given at the deal that they're given. So that's how they promote it. I get that. I'm just letting you know. That's my job. My job is to let you know my opinion, and that is my opinion. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching. Bye!